In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord downloading update 1 of 1 stuck. So in order to fix that, first things first, you need to make sure that you have a fast and reliable internet. Search in here for fast.com, and then after you have done that, this should measure the actual speed of your internet. So once you have determined that this is not actually the problem, what you can do next is to make sure to clear the cache. Click on the three dots, then from there click on the settings, and then after that, search in here for cache. Click on this delete browsing data and then select this cache right here and click on this delete data. Once you have done that, next thing you need to do is if you are actually on the Discord app, you can head over and then uninstall it. Then once you have uninstalled this app, make sure to install it using the setup for this one. Now, alternatively, you can also run it as administrator in order to make sure to bypass any restrictions for the Wi-Fi or the speed strength.